Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna give you a small review about the skincare that I'm using right now. So these are all the products that I have from the blood collection of Dot and Key. So basically they don't have a toner, so I'm going in with this watermelon super glow toner, and I'm gonna follow that up with this Dot and Key Blood Orange Serum, which is a 10% vitamin C and E super bright face serum. After which I'm gonna go in with this moisturizer, and yeah, this is the same vitamin C plus E super bright moisturizer. And then I'm gonna go in with some eye cream. This, I must say, this eye cream is actually really nice and moisturizing. Yeah, it has SPF 30 in it. And then I follow up with as usual sunscreen. Yeah, so this is an SPF 50 sunscreen. There's PA plus plus plus, so yeah, that's great. So I'm just going to show you how it looks on my skin, and then I'm going to tell you what I think about it. So for toner, I just take like a piece of cotton and I take the toner on it, and yeah, I just put it all over my face. This toner actually feels really moisturizing. Like it refreshes your entire face. So yeah. Now that I've got it all over my face, I take it down to the neck. Yep, all done. You can already see there's like a nice sheenish glow to my face. So after this, I usually, what I do is I just go into a face mist because I feel like I need more of the hydration. I do have oily skin, but this is just a step that I do and I love doing it. So just taking a normal face mist. This is a rose and tea tree face mist. So as you can see, my face is looking really glowy already. So yeah, love it. Also, like, I have my eyes a little bit red, so don't mind it, because I think yesterday something went into it and now it's just red. So yeah. Okay, so next we go into this lovely toner. So this is the Dot and Key Blood Orange and Pumpkin toner. It has vitamin C plus E, and it has 5% niacinamide. So yeah, I'm gonna take, it has a lovely nice pump bottle, so that's good. I'm just gonna put some drops. 1, 2. Oops, one fell down. Yeah, so I'm just going to now massage this all over in my skin. Yeah, the toner's all in. Like, you can see my face is looking super glowy, and yeah, it's a little bit tacky, so that's good when you put your makeup on. Okay, so now for moisturizer, I'm gonna go in with the same Blood Orange moisturizer. This also has the vitamin C and E in it. And yeah, love the bottle cover. Look at it, it's so pretty. You do get an applicator with it, but I'm gonna use my nails. I do not recommend this, but I gotta go to work, and yeah, I'm not gonna spend the time searching for my applicator. Yeah, and now I'm just gonna massage this all over my hair. This smells and it feels so good. It has a nice blood orange, fruit smell. All the products of it. It's quite subtle, so people who don't like smell will also like it. Like people who don't like fragranced products, they will also like it. So yeah. Let's massage this in the skin. Can you see my face is just getting glowier and glowier? Yeah, so next I'm gonna go in with this eye cream. It's the Dot and Key collagen peptide and caffeine eye cream. It also has SPF 30, which is great. This is also from the same, the collection vitamin C plus E. One thing I have to say about this is that I hate the packaging. The cover just comes out really quickly, and there's always product at the tip, so I don't understand that. But yeah, the product all in all is really nice, really moisturizing. Yeah, I just don't like the packaging that much. I think they could have done a better job with the cover, or so I just take this under my eyes and I massage it. Now that that is massaged, I'm just gonna take my fingers and pat it in. And yeah, so basically this is your skincare done. My face is pretty tacky, so I know that it will take makeup very well. And yeah, I think the final step that we have to do is put some sunscreen on. Oh, before I get into the sunscreen, there is this product that I have right here. It is the Blood Orange Vitamin C and E Super Bright Body Lotion. Oh my god, guys, like I love this body lotion. It's really nice. It smells really nice. It feels really nice. So yeah, if you are going to get like this collection, I would suggest please give this also a try, because this is also really nice. Although that does not have any SPF in it, so considering the heat and the sun that we have right now in Mumbai, but yeah, the moisturizing part is spot on. All right, so now for the final part, it is the sunscreen. So the sunscreen here we have is the vitamin C and E super bright sunscreen. It has SPF 50, PA plus 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 plus, 4 pluses. So Okay. And yeah, it's for all skin types. It fights dullness and dark spots is what it claims. It says it's water light fluid, and oh my god, I have yet to come across a sunscreen that is so light. Like, I mean, it's literally like water. I don't know if you all can hear this. Like, I mean, it's legit water and it is so watery. Like, you don't feel like a thick layer on it, neither does it have a white cast. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you like the texture. So you get a nozzle like this, which is great. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of it on my hand. Can you see the texture? It is so watery. I mean, it is super watery. So yeah, let's just slather it on my skin. So I just put like few dots like this all over my face. This is super lightweight. Yeah, now I'm just gonna massage all of this in. Like, it's super watery and lightweight. Can you see how it just like melts into your skin? It's crazy. Yeah, and as you can see, all of it is nicely mixed in. Does not take time to lather on, which is great because it's so watery. It's so, effortlessly, it's just blends into your skin, which is great. So I had a really bad tan, and like, my skin was really bad because I had just come from a 3-month shoot. But yeah, these products, I've started using these products once I've come back to Mumbai, and these products are actually phenomenal. I love them. So yeah, can you see, like, my face feels soft, looks soft, it just feels pretty nice. So yeah, my final thoughts on these products is that I love the range is phenomenal. It gives a nice glowy finish to your face without leaving it too oily, and keep in mind, I'm an oily skin type, so I love it. It does not make me too oily throughout the day. It moisturizes my skin. I feel it gives my skin the perfect hydration that it needs. The sunscreen is pretty phenomenal. I do have a little bit issues with the with the eye cream and its packaging. Otherwise the eye cream is like, pretty spot on. Yeah, the things are great. It's a good range. I would definitely suggest that you should go try out these products because they actually work on the skin and they leave a nice soft and dewy finish to the skin. So yeah guys, if you like this video and if you like this review, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.